SITA Smart Path Kiosk, the tailored Series 6, sets new standards in self-service hardware. With an award-winning design, the TS6 is highly customizable. It can be used for check-in, bag tagging, and border control, paving the way for a completely smooth mobile passenger journey. The modular design makes the TS6 fully future-proof. You can switch out and change individual components during installation or years later, all without compromising its outstanding look and feel. Swappable side panels allow you to personalize your kiosks and apply your own branding. It's easy to use and fit for function. One example is the privacy bay on the payment module, integrated within the overall design. A slimline version is available for airports with less space in the terminal. The TS6 is also ADA compliant, coming in 2 available heights, and has an always-ready, non-moving camera to suit all passengers. You can also add SITA SmartPath Biometrics, the industry-leading biometric solution, quickly and easily whenever you want to. SITA's TS6 kiosks are smart, easy to use, and super flexible. They're quick to install and simple to support, helping you upgrade your airport, keep costs in line, and deliver optimal passenger processing. Contact SITA for further information.